my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is gonna be a wig tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I blend my natural hair with my wig. And for this wig tutorial, I'm gonna be taking the Outre quick wave half wig, and I got it in the style Peruvian, and it's in the color DR2730. It comes with this bag, and then it comes with this. This is how the wig looks like. It's ombre. On the top is black, and then on the bottom this honey blonde color. It has two combs. On the top it has this large comb, and then on the bottom it comes with this small comb, and then it also comes with two adjustable stripes here. If you are interested in knowing how I blend my natural hair with this wig, please continue to watch, and let's begin with this video.
Girl, I like your way, every night and day.
For this hair tutorial, I'm gonna be using water, my favorite gel. This is the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold AH Control. I'm gonna take my comb and my hairbrush, and as well, I'm gonna be taking my small hairbrush for my baby hairs. I'm gonna take a ponytail. I'm gonna be using bobby pins. I'm also gonna be taking this curling iron, and lastly, I'm gonna be using a wig cap, and this is from Mr. Remy. This is the expanded weaving cap in extra large. This is my natural hair, and my hair is pretty damaged right now and dry. I had to wash it. This is a dirty hair because I haven't washed it yet. My washing routine is tomorrow, so I'm gonna comb my hair first. So this is how much hair I leave out. So I go all the way around, just like that. Now that I know how much hair I want to leave out, I'm gonna concentrate on the back hair. So I don't know how to braid hair. So I'm gonna take my water spray, and I'm just gonna wet my hair, because I want my hair to be as flat as possible. So I'm just gonna wet it first. Then I'm gonna take the brush, and I'm pressing my hair, my back hair downward. Then I'm gonna be taking my favorite gel. I love this gel so much. I love this gel better than the regular gel, the Eco Gel and whatever type of gel. And I'm just gonna apply gel just to make my hair more flat. I don't put my ponytail all the way on the middle. I put it all the way to the bottom. Just like that. Now that my hair is in a ponytail, I take my wig cap and I apply it on the back side just to protect my natural hair. Take the wig, now that I have my wig on, I'm gonna go with the front part, and I'm just gonna put this hair in a ponytail for now, just so the hair don't get in the way. And I'm gonna start on my right side first, and I'm just gonna curl my hair. So this is what I do to blend my hair with the wig. Now that my hair is all curled, I'm gonna go with the bobby pins, and I'm just gonna clip the side of this wig just so the wig cannot go nowhere. And now I'm just gonna set my hair sideways, going to the left side. I'm just gonna remove the ponytail, and I'm just gonna take a piece of that wig and just put it to the side, because that's how I want my hair to be. Just with my hand, I just combing the curls on my real hair, just so it can blend with the wig, so the hair can look more natural. So I'm just combing the hair. So I'm taking my gel and I'm gonna apply it on the front part. I know that right now it kind of looks like nasty, but trust me, it's gonna be looking the bomb once I finish with this. So I'm taking this comb, this large comb like this, and I'm just gonna brush hair just to the back. Take my baby hairs out with this comb, and I'm just taking the age control and I'm just gonna apply it on my baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna move the back hair so it can blend a little bit more. Just like that. This is how it looks like. This is where the wig starts, and this is my real hair, because it blends very well with the top color of the wig. So that is it, my beauties, for this how I blend my natural hair with this half wig. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. As well, turn on the notification bell so you guys can be notified of any new video that I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.